That right there is worth the $85. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new Claw Daddy's mukbang for you guys. So if you guys would like to see me eat and have some dinner with me, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications and let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna get my gloves on and I'm gonna get ready to dig in. As you guys can see, I have a new seafood boil with Claw Daddy's. You guys, this is the week. This is the week. Claw Daddy's Brooklyn is actually opening back up February 11th. So this Friday, you guys are watching this video on Wednesday. So in 2 days, it's going to be opened back up. And this is when their Valentine's Day special actually begins. So be sure to make your reservations right now because reservations are filling up. You get all of this that you see here for $85. Just $85 for you and your boo. So you get a homemade lobster, you have corn and potato, you have some shrimp, you have snow crab legs, and you have clams. Also, if you book and reserve at the Brooklyn location, you can give the name KissedByKen for a free round of drinks. So, you know, I got you guys all set up. Just go ahead and make your reservation. I'm also gonna be there on the 12th, so hope to see some of you guys on the 12th. I'm actually pretty nervous about that, but I'm also I'm more excited than anything else. So as you guys can see, I actually took it out the bag today, and I'm just gonna get started with some clams because I've just been eyeballing this, honestly, so I'm just gonna get started. That sauce is spicy, but it is so good. Also, as for drinks today, I have myself some red wine, which when I go on the 12th, I'm probably gonna, I don't know if I could go to Claw Daddy's and not get an adult Capri Sun, but I'm possibly gonna get some wine because I love eating wine. Yeah. I love drinking wine when I go out to eat, so I'm actually going to, I have the bag of seafood boil right on my left side, so I'm gonna dip my potato in the sauce. So I want to know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. I hope you're coming to Claw Daddy's Brooklyn. If you're not, I hope you're having a good time. So I know some of you aren't from New York or can't make it to New York. You guys are excused. For those of you that aren't in New York, what are you guys doing? I'm having some shrimp. If you guys didn't know, shrimp is my actual favorite seafood ever. Like, I can eat shrimp all day. All day. But those of you that live outside of New York City, what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Those of you that have booked your reservation for other days besides the 14th, what are you guys doing on Valentine's Day? I don't know if I really celebrate, like, my boyfriend and I have celebrated Valentine's Day, but it's not like a big deal. Like, it's not like, oh my god, Valentine's Day. It's more so, okay, like, let's go out to dinner or something. We've done like fun things the day of, but it's not anything crazy. Like last year, because it was still like, the pandemic was still going on, we actually just stayed in and he actually cooked for me and everything. So that was pretty nice. And I actually ate lobster last year for Valentine's Day. This year, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day. I'm just excited to go dine out on Saturday, the 12th. and I'm excited to be able to give you guys a preview on what you guys will be getting at Claw Daddy's for their Valentine's Day special, which is this beautiful meal right here. Ooh, this stuff is spicy. Their sauce is spicy, but it was good. I remember when I was younger, like in high school, I know it was junior high school, Valentine's Day was always like, oh my god, you have to have someone that likes you and stuff. Like, I feel like sometimes people make a huge, like a big deal. And I just never really, like, I kind of did at one point. I kind of felt like left out if I didn't have a Valentine and stuff, which was many, 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 many years. But my mom was like the sweetest mom ever, the best mom ever. She knows this. She has to know this. When I was little, her and my aunt, actually, she still does this. I don't know if you guys seen like a little pink puppy, like in the background. I have like a little pink teddy bear in my background sometimes. That was my Valentine's Day gift, I think last year or the year before, from my mom. But her and my aunt used to buy my cousins and I Valentine's Day gifts, and it was so sweet because, you know, Valentine's Day is not just about your romantic partner. It's about just love in general, between friends and all of that. So anyway, that's my favorite Valentine's Day memory, is when my mom used to, like, it felt like Christmas all over again. It was so sweet, and I want to do that with my kids when I have kids as well, because yeah, love is important, like in all areas of life, not just like romantically, you know what I mean? Yeah, I just feel it's only right to talk about Valentine's Day, considering Valentine's Day is coming up and this is Claw Daddy's Valentine's Day special. I got some snow crab. Snow crab legs. This stuff is so freaking good. I love that they're giving us snow crab legs too. Like, this is so bomb. I truly feel like this meal is perfect for 2 people. If you get a few appetizers and then just do like a special, I feel like you guys will be set. Yeah, I feel like it's perfect. And then you get your free drinks. Bomb. Bomb.com. And I'm kind of leaving the lobster for last, but I'm trying to like get a taste of everything. Next, I really want to give you guys a taste of what else Claw Daddy's has to offer besides their seafood boils, because their menu is pretty extensive, and truthfully, it's bomb. It's not just your typical seafood restaurant that has just, you know, just seafood and that's it. It has so much more to offer. I don't feel like you get that much at other restaurants. It's mostly like everything inspired by seafood at other seafood restaurants, which is fine, because if you go to a seafood restaurant, you want seafood everything. But it's just the fact that they have so much more to offer. Oh my god, these shrimps are so juicy. So juicy. I remember falling in love with their shrimps. Oh my god. I had like, when I had my birthday surprise, I got a snow crab leg and shrimp seafood boil. And I had shrimps for like days because it was like an extra boil of just shrimp. So days after, I was still eating some shrimp. Best believe. I'm gonna do one of my little combinations, and I'm gonna take some shrimp on top of my potato because I didn't have shrimp in the last boil, and shrimp, as I said, are my favorite. Let me know down below if you guys, what is you guys' favorite seafood item, like seafood boil item, or just favorite seafood. I think shrimp is my favorite, but I hate to choose. I hate to have to choose, so. I would just eat everything, like, all the time. So I'm gonna have some shrimp and just shrimp and potato. So good. What are you gonna go in for this lobster? Ooh, there you go. This lobster about to hit. If I can open it. Okay, you guys, so I have some scissors because this lobster was giving me too much trouble. And I couldn't do it. I could not do it. So I needed scissors for assistance. I like lobster too. I think the first time I had lobster was like in a lobster roll. But I only started having snow crab legs as I got older too. Cause like when there was seafood times at my house, it was just like the blue crabs. Yeah, the blue crabs, and I used to eat a lot of shrimp. My grandma makes the most bomb ceviche, you guys. Like the most bomb ceviche. Like it's way too good. Okay, look at this lobster tail here. Look at her lobster tail. Gotta get all this white gunk off of it. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna dip it in some sauce. Look at that. My camera stopped when I was showing you guys the goodness, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna dip it again. Which I didn't really want to because this sauce is spicy enough. But look at this. Oh yeah. I'm scared. No, I'm not scared. What am I scared for? That right there is worth the $85. Just the lobster alone. You guys, so I can't even. I have no words after that. It's too good. Got the claw. Obviously, we know the tail is where the real stuff is at. But I do like the claw meat too. I enjoy it. I know I should be getting like that cracker thing, but I don't feel like getting up again or stopping the video again. Wow, this lobster is juicy. Do you guys see all the juice that's coming out of just the claw? Juicy. I have another shrimpy shrimp. This sauce is impeccable. This sauce is yummy in my tummy. Tummy. I'm gonna finish up my lobster tail now. That lobster was worth everything. Okay? Everything. Alright, you guys, I'm almost done here. I'm finally cleaning my plate. Also, there were a few more shrimp and clams. I just wanted to tell you guys that, but I didn't put it on the platter. So as I said, this is a great meal for two for just $85, along with maybe a few appetizers and your free drinks. It's bomb. Claw Daddy's got you guys' back. For those of you that don't have plans, definitely make a reservation. I have this clam. All right, y'all. Finally down to my last shrimp, which makes me a little sad. Oh, their shrimps are just so good. So juicy. Everything here has been so juicy and so delicious. Delicioso. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions. I'll be sure to reply to every single comment under this video. If you guys have any questions, again, the links to book your reservations for the Claw Daddy's Valentine's Day special and just for Claw Daddies in general will be in the description box below, as well as the code KissedByKen. Please note that my code is to be used at the Brooklyn location. And yeah. Oh, that was so good. If you guys want, go on to Claw Daddy's menu and let me know what items you'd like for me to try for you guys. As I said, they have a huge menu that is not only limited to seafood boils. They have a bunch of other things and a bunch of seafood boil options, as you guys have seen. Excuse me if my face is dirty because I can't see myself right now. I have a mirror in front of me. For those of you that have already made your reservations, thank you guys so much for supporting the Claw Daddy's Brooklyn location. We need the business because we don't want them to close down. And I hope you guys really enjoy your time. Actually, I know you guys will enjoy your time. I know you guys will enjoy your food. Again, there's going to be DJs there on Friday, February 11th. So this Friday and Saturday, there's going to be DJs there. And it's going to be so much fun. Yeah, thank you guys for the support and for booking your reservations. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this seafood boil mukbang. I'm excited for this Valentine's Day special because it's seafood and it's perfect, it's great, it's worth it. I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. I hope to see you soon, and thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1. See you guys in my next video. Bye!